If your VTech baby monitor won't power on, begin with the basics. Make sure the power adapter is firmly connected to both the parent unit and a working wall outlet. Confirm the outlet isn't controlled by a light switch that may be off. It's important to use the original VTech adapter since third-party chargers may not supply the correct voltage. Next, check the battery. Ensure it's properly seated and look for a charging indicator light when plugged in. If the battery is more than a year old, it may no longer hold a charge effectively. Let the unit charge fully, which can take up to 11-12 hours for maximum capacity. Also keep the parent and baby units at least 3 feet apart to prevent signal interference or audio feedback. If it still won't turn on, try a forced reboot. Plug it in and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Then unplug it and hold the power button again for 20 seconds. Some models include a small reset pinhole on the back press and hold it for about 10 seconds if available. For persistent issues, perform a factory reset through the menu or by using the pair reset button on the baby unit. After resetting, reconnect to Wi-Fi and ensure the antenna is upright for the best signal.